Electrical color codes serve important purposes in electrical systems, primarily phase identification and voltage differentiation. The color code provided uses brown, red, and blue to identify the three phases A, B, and C of a three-phase electrical system. These colors are used to differentiate between 277/480 volts and 120/208 volts panels. Black is typically used for 120/208 volts panels, while brown is used for 277/480 volts panels. This differentiation helps to ensure proper connections and to prevent accidental overvoltage. Consistency is key, because using consistent colors across all panels on a floor simplifies troubleshooting and maintenance. Electricians can quickly identify the phase and voltage of a particular circuit. The color code is a vital safety feature, helping prevent electrical accidents in several ways. Firstly, proper phase identification reduces the risk of arc flashes by making sure that live conductors of different phases are not connected together. Secondly, the color code helps identify circuits that are overloaded or improperly wired. Thirdly, consistent color coding allows maintenance personnel to quickly trace circuits and identify potential hazards. While color codes have changed a bit over the years, the principles of phase identification and voltage differentiation have remained mostly the same. The color code, with brown for 277/480 volts and black for 120/208 volts, aligns with current industry practices. Adhering to the specified color code ensures the safety and efficiency of the electrical system. It also enhances safety, simplifies troubleshooting, and promotes proper electrical connections.